Internal Revenue Service IRS Tax News. IRS Advisory Council issues 2021 annual report. But first, an attempt at a joke. I apologize in advance. The government assures us that they're living well within their means. I'm not so sure. Honestly, it's like talking to my uncle's crazy kids with this dang government. Except the kids are 10 times more rational. Either way, it would be nice if the government could live within their means, without all of yours. IR 2021-227, November 17, 2021, Washington. The Internal Revenue Service Advisory Council, the IRSAC, today issued an annual report for 2021. There's a link to that report here, including recommendations to the IRS on new and continuing issues in tax administration. The IRSAC is a federal advisory committee that provides an organized public forum for discussion of relevant tax administration issues between IRS officials and representatives of the public. IRSAC members offer constructive observations regarding current or prospective IRS policies, programs, and procedures. The 2021 public report includes recommendations on 24 issues, which cover a broad range of topics, including adequate funding for the IRS, implementation of Section 1302 of the Taxpayer First Act, Independent Office of Appeals, reduction in electronic filing threshold for information return filers, revisions to Circular 230, that is, postponing certain deadlines under Rev Procedure 10 or 2018-58, digital assets, continuation of Rev Procedure 94-69, the compliance effort around abusive promoters and preparers, online IRS guidance for federal, state, and local governments, improving the taxpayer experience with the taxpayer digital communication. The IRSAC is administered under the Federal Advisory Committee Act by the Office of National Public Liaison, part of IRS Commissioners and Liaison, and draws its members from the taxpayer public, tax professional community, representatives of the low-income community, small and large businesses, tax-exempt and government entities, the payroll industry, and academia. 5 subgroups report to the parent IRSAC: information reporting, large business and international, small business / self-employed, tax-exempt / government entities, and wage and investment. Commissioner Chuck Rettig and IRS executives thanked members of the council whose term end this year. So I'm not gonna say all the people whose names they are, because I'll probably butcher all of them. But then you got a list of names here. There'll be a link to this in the description if you would like to see that list here. The full 2021 IRSAC public report, there's a link to that here, and it's available on the irs.gov website, irs.gov, irs.gov. There'll be a link to this in the description.